Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So you know Popcaan created his TikTok account, and you know Shalam are one of the first person where the boss go live with. Popcaan always a show love to the guru, and me actually rate how Shalam start get some traction now, cause a whole heap of work the boss put in, especially when it comes down to pure entertainment.
A time.
Yeah, bless dollar lesson.
That is your time. Yeah. Internet body no.
How you cook then no?
Internet body no.
Oh, you know that. Where you say we internet already?
No boy, internet come now. Go back. Yeah, it better now.
Yo, look like we have got to take down digital.
Yeah, bro. My shit in on them creator. Yeah, definitely.
Who we have to take down digital and floor?
Digital. Flow now flow for a long time. We have to take down digital. And JPS.
How you going down JPS? Shalam, what go on?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna cook I'm on tea for recipe for last night. A sardine and mixed veg.
Oh, fuck class! It's a sardine moment! You know, W. Today we not cook no COW. Sardine! Yo, bless yourself, my family. You hear that?
Alright, bro. I shut up.
What go Shalam.
Shut up.
Hey, I want before that for that sit here, Shalam. Come in now, come down, you know, I have to stay up.
Yeah.
I want to come off of here.
Alright, hold on. Let me take you down in
Yo,
peace.
Jimmy, fix this.
Everything. Hey, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy. Hey, take it down in peace, Jimmy.
I don't know about TikTok business, I'm blood clot. Jimmy.
Hey, Shalam. I try
That is it.
So Beenie man, self-proclaimed king of dancehall. Him there in the streets of England, and I make a group of men know say yo, him are the true king. If you listen good, Beenie say yo, Kartel enough to play with him cause him nah have no sense. Well, I hope lyrically him attack still, but me no know why Beenie man I make so much man boots him up.
Me boss, yeah. King of dancehall, you know. Any other king of Burger King where I flip some dirty burger, think you fuck. You be rotten. You real boss, yeah. Anything else attacking on the can go on. Alright. You boss, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm my boss for life, man.
God. Him know.
Me and him born 1972. Now I see him here, you know. So, me know him. Yeah, me and him grew up. Me know him for my artist.
Him know 700. One that you have.
I'm going to tell you, man. Me know he's from before my artist, man. What you do, man?
So people, wanna remember the unreleased track with Beenie man make? Yeah, the diss to Vybz Kartel. Well, him play it, and more you check out the crowd reaction to the song.